Hey, what's up, my Cardano holder brothers? This is live price prediction of Cardano. You can check here. This is this last 1 hour result. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates of Cardano, because I am also Cardano holders. For communication, please comment us, and for communication, just subscribe ABS Tech channel. For Insta, just subscribe. Follow me on Instagram Adil Khan 4848857. Just my Insta ID. Okay. This is live price prediction. You can check here. The last 1 hour is absolutely good. You can check here the change of plus 2.01%, absolutely good change, and highest change of Cardano is absolutely good, 1.15%, absolutely good result, not bad. This is absolutely good. Okay, let's check it out. The last 2 hour result. This is just last 1 hour result. I'm very excited because I am very happy today, because this is Cardano day. You can check here, very good results. Give a good result. Please subscribe for latest update. Okay, this is last 2 hour result, absolutely good, plus 2.66%, absolutely good. The highest change. I think this is selling time for Cardano holder. This is good time for selling. I suggest you to sell it, okay, because this is very good. You can check here. I'm very happy. Last okay, let's check it out. I hope the last 4 hour result is very bad. Okay, Cardano holders, let's check it out. The last 4 hour result, I think this is bad now. Oh, yes, I see here. Okay, the last 4 hour result is bad, but the last 1 hour and 12 hour result is good. So this is the time of selling. Please sell it and enjoy. Okay, and subscribe to basic channel for latest update. I am updating you anytime. Okay, so subscribe and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to like video. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time.